Hello, I'm here in my home shop where I am about to tear down this wall and start moving all of my tools. Let me show you why. Why take down the wall? This is why. I want to use these machines to build a mini machine shop. But I have a lot of stuff I have to move. The first thing is getting that mill out of the way. My Herco CNC and a bunch of other stuff, my hoist and a bunch of stuff. But this wall has to go because I plan on moving this thing and there's really no way to get it out. Most all of this stuff is going to be leaving. These are the machines I want to keep. The mini lathe, the mini mill, which I turned into a CNC. It's going to be a future project. I bought the extension for the mini lathe, I'm sorry. My Harbor Freight surface grinder, my Harbor Freight belt sander. I'm going to be keeping all that. My Harbor Freight sand blaster. I'm going to fit that in there. What I want to do is from the end of that shelf right there, all the way along here, all the way to the end of that shelf, I want to build a wall. I have to get rid of this steel table. I will be keeping all these wooden boxes, but they're all going to be on the inside of this little shop I want to make. But that wall needs to come down. Let's get this table out of the way. Not sure, we're just going to put it back here for now. I haven't sold that mill yet, but I'm going to be putting it up for sale at a price that nobody can resist. I see them online for $12,000, $15,000. I was thinking of asking like $1,500. Just get it out of here. That's just short of giving it away. It's going to take a long time. I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me put my tools away. What I'm going to do is in the future make small YouTube videos to show you my progress. And one of the things I want to do is when I finally sell that thing and the movers are here and they're putting it up on the flatbed, I want to film that and I'll let you see how it goes. and I'll let you see how when I build the walls and I bring all my machines into the new area. But for now, this is going to be a wrap. And till next time, enjoy.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan your own hands can land.